This video covers the IGCSE Biology Objective 1.2.3 on the 2025 CAIE syllabus to describe the binomial system of naming species. So let's start with understanding what is the binomial system. Well, the word binomial is actually a two-part word. Bi meaning two and nomial meaning name. So this system basically refers to a two-part naming system. This is an internationally agreed system in which every organism is given a two-part scientific name. So it's not just any name, it must be a scientific name. So how does this system work, and why do we have a binomial system? Well, if we consider the lion, it has various different translations depending on the language that you are referring to. And of course, there are many more than those that are listed here. So basically, if you have scientists that are trying to communicate with each other in different languages about a lion, you will end up with confusion. So there was a Swedish naturalist named Carl Linnaeus, and he came up with this system in 1735 to deal with the confusion that existed between scientists who were speaking different languages about specific types of organisms. So that canceled out the confusion of referring to a lion as whatever it is in various languages, and all scientists then would refer to the lion as Panthera leo. Again, it is a two-part naming system, so we have two names for this organism. So how does this system work? Well, first of all, Latin is going to be used as the scientific language. This is because Latin is considered a dead language. It's no longer spoken, and so therefore no new words are being created in the language. The entire name is written in or typed in italics, or if you are handwriting it, then you would underline both of the names to indicate that it is the scientific name. The other thing that you need to keep in mind is that the first name of the scientific name is always a capitalized letter, and the second name is always a lowercase letter. So if we look at this list of common names compared to the scientific name, we'll see lots of Latin, we'll see italics, and we'll see that the first name is always capitalized and the second name always starts with a lowercase letter. So what are these two names? Well, the first name refers to the genus name, and the second name refers to the species name. So every single individual species is going to have a different combination of a binomial name, that is genus and species combined together. We can see here on the list that the lion, the tiger, and the leopard all share the genus name, but when we put their species name in, we see a different name there. So their binomial names are in fact different. The fact that they share the same genus name just tells us that they are closely related to each other.